Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. We are Dinky Sinks HQ. Where is it? There it is. We're attempting to do some video and some photos for our range of sinks. I'll show you what we're doing. What are you doing, T-Bone?
Well, we've already dropped the mirror, obviously, trying to do a setup here. So I'm just cleaning it because
We're trying to stage it so we can
just
show
so
it.
a bit better. And then we dropped it, and now it's all chipped. And
It's all right.
I
There it
can't
goes
just
again.
hang it up.
No,
Why?
because you
I've got a
can't.
screw in my pocket.
No. T-Bone's not in a very good mood because she's got really bad toothache. So I'm trying not to wind her up too much. Including the one out there, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to photo. Alright, so this is our display unit. This one is Ocean Vibes. Running off the EcoFlow. Just got a submersible pump into a container under here. So it's just circulating basically for demonstration purposes. So the trick is to get some video and some photo without getting myself in it.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board.
Right, so it's been a couple of days. You can see the photo shoot went quite well. I've got some more stock to build. Loads of new stuff's come in, so I'm going to crack on with that. And then we're going to do another photo shoot. We've got some stuff up for sale on eBay already. The website's coming together. We're going to try and get that done this week and get it live. Alrighty then, that was a busy weekend. It's now Monday. Oh no, I've still got the same top on, but I'm going to have a shower in a minute and then change my clothes and all of that stuff. Sinks. I know it's all sinks, but that's what I've been doing at the moment, and I'm vlogging what I'm doing, and that's what I've been doing. And sinks are really important, aren't they? In a house and in a van. I mean, it's where you brush your teeth, wash your hands, wash your face, wash your dishes, whatever. So, you know, it's an important feature. And hopefully we are tackling the space and design issue. Not that there's an issue with design, but if you're going to have a sink, why not have a pretty one, right? I've been asked about water capacity, actually, funny enough. And this van has a 100-litre water tank. And I think the waste is a 40-litre, which isn't very good and it leaks. I'm going to change that at some point. But 100 litres for us usually gives us about 4 days. And that's including having showers and all the washing up and stuff like that. We don't drink the water though, through choice. It's the original tank. And I know we use it a lot, so it is flushing through quite a lot. But we just would rather not, so we buy bottled water for drinking, which helps it last a little bit longer as well. I was also asked the other day about fuel prices, because fuel prices are going through the roof at the moment, and this van isn't the most economical. I don't think most vans or motorhomes are that economical anyway. This one's particularly not that great. It's petrol, and it does about 18, 20 miles per gallon, something like that. It costs us about £100 a week in petrol, which is £400 a month. I don't think I could rent anywhere for £400 a month. Obviously, gas and electric is really minimal. At the moment we're getting solar in, so not having to worry about power whatsoever. And even when we do have to get power, it's very, very cheap to just charge up the EcoFlow, sometimes free depending on where you go. So power is never really an issue. Electricity is never an issue. Gas, we don't really have much. We just use a little gas canisters and a little camping stove in the winter, and through the summer we use electricity because it's free. We've got lots of solar and big battery. So yeah, that's not an issue. And obviously council tax is not an issue. It is what it is. So yeah, £400 a month, still not too bad. It is going up a little bit, but yeah, it'll come down again, I'm sure. These things happen, don't they, when things happen in the world, you know. But cost of living in a van, that varies depending on the van and depending on what you're doing. But, you know, that's another video topic. If anybody wants me to do a video on the costs of living in a van, or what it costs us to live in a van on the road, then let me know in the comments and I'll do a video for you. Right, that's me. Now I have to do a guitar video for my other channel, so I'm going to get set up for that. It's now 11:30, so I've got a good few hours to get that done. I'm going to love you and leave you. God bless you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff. Not much more left to say, except if you want to sync, message me. Website will be going up soon and I'll let you know when it does. And here's a jingle.
We'll ride these roads forever. Side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take. This thing called amazing race, no chance will break.